Bro, what is this? It's like macam ini setting finger kosong tau. Damn. Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Just Here. So, we're gonna do a part 2. Okay, kalau korang tengok kereta ni, korang familiar with this car, obviously. You know, like macam aku review kereta ni sebelum ni. And we're gonna like macam just go through again because kereta ni dah go through a lot of modifications. And it's gonna be interesting to cover this car again. And let's go. Kita cover luaran dulu and I'm pretty much sure korang dah familiar again one more time. Hood carbon, which this is daripada last time memang dia dah ada hood carbon, and then after that dia dah ada spoiler carbon. Tapi apa yang baru dekat kereta ni is that dia buat this wrapping yang macam ala-ala doodle lah. Dia ni kan macam ala-ala in trend sekarang kan, buat doodle style. Kalau kau tengok daripada gambar, memang serius nampak macam ala-ala kartun punya ni tau. Kartun punya karakter. Okay, so kereta ni is kereta MK7.5 and this is the facelift punya model tau, compared to the 7. The 7 is a little bit outdated and the 7.5 dia nampak lagi macam macho lagi modern sikit. So the most prominent punya design aspect yang kira kau akan nampak different is basically dia punya front bumper. And if you look at the front bumper, you know, like macam the design compared to the 7 is completely different. And then going to the back side pun, you know, like macam the design is a little bit different, okay. Here they run with a TE37, okay. Ni TE37 sama macam aku punya. Cuma aku punya is Ultra. This is a non-Ultra punya editions. And this is a 18-inch running on the 235/40/18. Okay, this tire is a AD09. I love this tire, guys. I use the same one and the grip is superb. Okay, so tire, rim, and then we have the floating disc. Okay, so 2-piece, and then we have the 6-pot Alcon dekat depan ni. So dia match dengan dia punya oversize punya rotor. Right behind dia pakai stock. So nothing change here. This is stock. Okay, tapi what I like is the height of the car. Kau boleh tengok kan, it's like macam super damn low. It's like legit, it's damn low, guys. You know, like macam this is not back tau. This is not like macam air suspension. This is basically it's a coilover, and he's running on a KW V3. So kau boleh tengok belakang dia. Belakang dia zero finger weh. Zero finger. Tak ada satu, tak ada dua. Dia memang legit yang kau tak boleh nak. Nampak? Kosong. What I like is that dia slightly ke dalam sikit, so dia tak poke out. Dia takkan ada issue dengan rubbing and whatever lah kan. So because dia dah memang tuck. So if you look from the top view, you will see exactly what I mean. It's like macam it's just like on the inside. Definitely this is nice. This is nice. We're gonna talk about the engine now. Okay, this is like macam what underneath here is like what make this car like macam worth to review. Aku memang masa dia buat this project, aku dah macam cakap dengan dia, I need to review your car for the part 2, okay? And it's happening today. So we're gonna reveal what is under this hood. Let me get the key. Are you guys ready? Ooh, what the hell is this? Oh my god. Aku tengah macam loading, tengah fikir macam mana aku nak explain dekat korang apa benda kat dalam ni. Maybe I need the owner to actually macam explain dekat aku what is going on here, okay? So, you guys wait a second. Yeah. I don't know where to start because like macam this car is completely a different beast compared to the first time aku review kereta ni. Masa aku review tu kereta ni like what, stage 1? Stage 1. It's like macam now is what? Stage 2. Now is stage 2. Stage 2, guys. Tapi kan, korang kena tahu stage 2 ni dia bukannya setakat mapping tau. Okay, we're gonna go through one by one first. Okay, he is like macam fan of IE engineering.
nak maintain IE lah.
Kan, nak maintain IE kan. Main konsep lah. Ala-ala kalau kau macam, kalau kau pakai spoon, kau maintain spoon ni barang, dia maintain IE. Okay, so what we have here, okay, kita tengok daripada luaran dulu So this is a open port intake, integrated engineering, and then kita ada oil cash can, which is also IE. They go directly to this PCV kan, right? So it's like macam one thing yang aku suka pasal this setup, dia nampak serious, like nampak clean gila weh. It's like macam buat bila kau buka engine bay, benda ni yang first aku perasan, aku tengok macam benda ni aku macam weh, serious weh. This is like damn nice. Okay, kita ada this APR punya coil pack. Don't get me started with the price of this coil pack. Definitely it's not cheap. XXX. Dude. So the internal of this engine, okay, this is the most interesting part, because like macam this is what make this car different daripada the first time yang aku review tau. So dalam ni apa yang kau dah buat?
Piston dah tukar.
Okay, piston,
Conrod dah tukar.
Conrod,
And almost part semua dah brand new lah sebab overhaul.
yeah, kau buat like macam completely overhaul.
Yep.
And it's like macam internal dia all Forge.
Yep.
Whew.
All IE.
All IE. Oh my god. And then Comap Stage 2, turbo still stock.
Still stock.
Currently, what's the dyno figure?
308.
This compared to like macam the stage 1 last time, dia punya horsepower dia tak adalah different banyak, betul tak?
Betul.
Because like macam last time pun is around 300, and then like macam kan almost 300, right? So now it's like macam dia increase sikit. Tapi what interesting is that because they rebuild the engine, so the engine now is actually capable to handle more power. Nak cerita harga tak? So kita keep the price separate lah kan. Kalau korang nak tahu pasal harga, kita like macam DM tepi lah. And then like macam boleh follow dia punya Instagram.
Shiroy.
Shiroy.
MK7.5 GTI.
Yes, okay. We're gonna put like macam dia punya, what do you call that? Link. Yes. Oh my god, like macam aku just blank. We already covered the engine part. Let's go and see what is going on dekat dalam dia punya interior pula. Interior wise, again guys, this is a MK7.5. Okay, dia punya main difference dia is dia punya digital cluster dia dan dia punya infotainment dia. This is like macam the two main difference tau. Tapi what interesting about this car, yang aku paling suka lah sebenarnya dia punya pleated seat ni. This one like macam legit, like kalau nak compare dengan the leather seat, I will 100% go for this seat. The different, apa yang dia dah buat kat kereta ni is that kau boleh nampak dia punya pedal shift, dia pakai the transparent punya pedal shift. And then dia add this 2 button yang ala-ala macam Audi R8, which is start stop engine dengan drive select. So let's just try start the car. Woo! Look at that. So it's like macam kalau korang tengok MK7 kan, MK7 dia punya first model is 2013 now. So now it's 2023. This car is basically is already 10 years old. If you guys get the 7.5, it's starting from 2018, which is like, I believe now it's already a good value. Okay, seriously it's a good value. This car is like macam value for money. Like guys, look, 2018, you got this nice digital infotainment, and then like macam with this touchscreen, look at this. Legit weh, sumpah smart gila. And then of course like macam this car will come with the DSG punya gearbox. This is definitely one of the best gearbox lah. You know like macam legit aku tak tipu korang, gearbox ni memang best gila. So I'm gonna like macam just rev this for a bit, okay? Woo! Alright guys, so you gotta stay tuned for the next video because we have something special. Look at that car. Part 2 of RS3. What we're gonna do next? We're gonna do a B-roll. Let's go, B-roll. Okay guys, sebenarnya member aku ni dia datang dengan 3 sekawan tau. So kau boleh tengok, 3 kereta, 3 sekawan. Okay, so the first one kita ada MK7, and then the second one kita ada MK7, and this MK7 is stage 2. And then kita ada this MK7.5, which is also a stage 2, okay? So korang boleh tengok sendiri perbezaan antara MK7 versus 7.5. So korang boleh tengok kan, MK7.5 punya lampu depan. So this is the one yang aku cakap dengan korang tak sama dengan the MK7. So kau boleh tengok MK7 punya lampu, dia punya depan ni just a straight line. Okay, while the 7.5 dia lagi macam more modern, bit more squarish. So this is more like macam dia sama dengan Golf R tau actually. Dia punya lampu depan ni. And then kau boleh tengok bumper depan pun. Okay, kau boleh tengok dia punya design here, and then dia punya shape is more rounded, while this one dia lebih more like macam angular. Okay, and kau boleh nampak kan perbezaan dia punya spotlight punya area ni, dia punya fin ni dengan this part here is completely lain lah. And also one more thing yang aku cakap dengan korang, which is dia punya belakang. So you can see this is a 7 Golf GTI 7, and then that is 7.5. So 7.5 kan, dia memang dia dengan Golf R, dia punya future almost like macam everything dah sama lah, almost identical. Kita macam budak-budak berhemah lah. So kita orang tak ada lah nak pergi tarik kat dalam tu kan, dalam basement kan. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna just like macam get him to rev this car. Are you guys ready for this? Okay. Damn boy. Weh, pencemaran alam. Damn. Okay, the video definitely cannot handle here. So we gotta do a rolling. Okay, we gotta do rolling. Okay, we see. Okay, I'm gonna ask the cameraman. Is it possible to do rolling? Okay guys, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Again, you know, like macam go to the social media handle. So social media handle benda. So go to my social media, my Instagram, my TikTok, as well as my Facebook. Okay, go and like all those social media and follow me. I mean, like obviously you guys are following me here on YouTube. Anyway guys, and also please put down the comment down below. You know, I hope you guys enjoy this video. We will continue to the next episode, okay? So stay tuned. Ciao.